Imagine a world where your money works for you even when you sleep. A world where your investments consistently grow over time. Welcome to the future of investing, and this future is brightly illuminated by exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Now you might be wondering, what on earth are ETFs? Well, let's break it down. Simply put, an ETF is a type of investment fund and exchange-traded product traded on stock exchanges. ETFs are similar to mutual funds, but they trade like an ordinary stock on a stock exchange. So why are ETFs the future of investing? The answer lies in their unique advantages. They offer the diversification of mutual funds coupled with the flexibility of stocks. This means that they spread out risk while allowing you to buy and sell throughout the day. Plus, they often come with lower fees than their mutual fund counterparts. But the real magic of ETFs comes into play when we apply the concept of buy and hold investing. This is a long-term investment strategy based on the principle that in the long run, financial markets provide a good rate of return despite periods of volatility or decline. This strategy heavily reduces the risk of making poor decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Instead, you ride out lows and enjoy the highs, with your investments generally growing over time. And when it comes to buy and hold, ETFs are a perfect fit due to their inherent diversification and flexibility. So, as we stand on the precipice of this exciting future, it's important to arm ourselves with knowledge. To understand not just that ETFs are a game changer, but also why they are and how to make them work for you. Now, hold on to your seats as we dive into 5 ETFs that could be your golden tickets to financial freedom. These are not just any ETFs. They've been carefully selected for their potential to deliver consistent returns over the long haul. So, buckle up and get ready for a thrilling journey into the future of investing. Hello viewers, if you're enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. First on our list is VT, a Vanguard gem that covers the entire world of stocks in a single ETF. VT, or Vanguard Total World Stock ETF, is a ticket to international diversification. This ETF offers exposure to both developed and emerging markets, making it a one-stop shop for global equity. Its portfolio is as varied as the world itself, with stocks from North America, Europe, Asia, and beyond. But what makes VT truly stand out is its top holdings. The fund's largest slices are dedicated to some of the world's most powerful and influential companies, from tech titans like Apple and Microsoft to consumer staples like Procter & Gamble and Nestle. Vermont is a melting pot of world-leading corporations. These are the businesses shaping our present and future. And with VT, you're buying into their collective potential. Now let's talk performance. Since its inception in the late 2000s, Vermont has shown a consistent upward trend. The fund has weathered numerous market downturns, always emerging stronger on the other side. This resilience is a testament to VT's broad diversification and the strength of its holdings. It's a history of growth that long-term investors can appreciate. But remember, past performance is not a guarantee of future results. However, Vermont's broad exposure and robust portfolio make it a solid choice for those seeking steady long-term growth. It's a way to tap into the world's economic engine without the need to pick individual stocks or countries. So, why is VT a good buy and hold option? For one, it's a simple and effective way to diversify your portfolio globally. It also provides access to a wide range of sectors and industries, reducing the risk associated with investing in a single sector. And finally, its track record of performance speaks volumes about its potential for future growth. In conclusion, if you're looking for a single ETF that offers broad exposure to the global stock market, Vermont is worth considering. It's a fund that encapsulates the world's economic vibrancy and diversity. VT truly is your passport to the global stock market. Next up, we have VIG, the key to unlocking the power of dividends. The Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, or VIG, is unique in its focus on companies that aren't just paying dividends but are consistently growing them. It's like the tortoise in the classic fable, slow, steady, and winning the race over time. Among its top holdings are venerable giants like Microsoft and Johnson & Johnson, companies known for their steady and growing dividends. Historically, VIG has proven to be a reliable performer, providing investors with a steady stream of income along with the potential for capital appreciation. But why are dividends so important? Well, they're a tangible return on your investment, a regular paycheck from the company, if you will. And over the long haul, dividends can significantly contribute to the overall return of your portfolio, especially when they're reinvested. With VIG, you can reap the rewards of consistent dividend growth. Moving on, let's talk about QQQ, the fast track to the tech industry. This exchange-traded fund, or ETF, is offered by Invesco and is officially known as the Invesco QQQ Trust. What sets QQQ apart is its focus on technology companies, specifically those included in the NASDAQ 100 index. This means when you invest in QQQ, you're essentially buying a piece of the top 100 non-financial companies listed on the NASDAQ. Now, why is this a big deal? Well, think about it. Some of the biggest and most influential companies today are tech companies. We're talking about the likes of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Alphabet, the parent company of Google. These are not just companies. They're industry leaders, trendsetters, and pioneers of innovation. And with QQQ, they're part of your portfolio. But it's not just about owning a slice of these tech giants. It's also about performance. Historically, QQQ has shown strong performance. Over the past decade, technology has been the fastest growing sector in the market, and QQQ has been there riding that wave. That said, investing in tech stocks is not without risks. The tech industry is fast-paced and highly competitive, which can lead to volatility, but it's also an industry of growth and innovation. As we move forward into the digital age, technology becomes even more integral to our lives. And as these companies continue to innovate, they create new opportunities for growth. So, why are tech stocks a good long-term investment? It comes down to this. Technology is the future. It's driving changes in every other industry, from healthcare to finance to entertainment. As we become more reliant on technology, the companies that provide it have the potential to grow. And with QQQ, you can invest in these companies. Not just for the growth they've already achieved, but for the growth they have yet to deliver. So if you're looking for a way to tap into the potential of the tech industry, consider QQQ. With its focus on top tech companies and a track record of strong performance, QQQ offers a unique investment opportunity. And remember, investing isn't just about where the market is today, but where it's going tomorrow. With QQQ, you can ride the wave of tech innovation. Finally, we have IVV and IAU, two more ETFs that could supercharge your portfolio. The iShares Core S&P 500 ETF, known as IVV, is a fund that provides exposure to large-cap U.S. stocks. It tracks the S&P 500 index, which includes 500 of the largest U.S. companies. Think of names like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon, the movers and shakers of the market. IV has consistently shown strong performance over the years, making it a reliable choice for those looking to invest in the U.S. market. On the other hand, the iShares Gold Trust, or IAU, gives investors exposure to gold without the need to physically own it. This ETF tracks the price of gold and offers a practical way to invest in this precious metal. Gold, as you may know, is often considered a safe haven during turbulent times in the market. It can act as an insurance policy, helping to offset losses when other investments take a hit. So, why are IVV and IAU good buy and hold options? Well, IV gives you a broad exposure to the U.S. stock market. It's like owning a small piece of the 500 largest U.S. companies. And because it's so diversified, it can help smooth out the ups and downs of the market. IAU, meanwhile, offers a hedge against inflation and market volatility. Gold has been valued as a store of wealth for thousands of years, and that's unlikely to change anytime soon. By holding some gold in your portfolio, you can protect yourself against economic shocks and currency devaluations. Both these ETFs have low expense ratios, which means more of your money goes towards your investment instead of fees. And because they're ETFs, they offer the flexibility to buy and sell shares throughout the trading day, just like individual stocks. With IVV and IAU, you can balance your portfolio with U.S. stocks and gold. They offer a combination of growth potential and stability, making them solid choices for a buy and hold strategy. In the world of investing, diversification is key, and these two ETFs can help you achieve just that. So there you have it, 5 ETFs that could be your tickets to long-term financial success. We've journeyed through the diversified world of the Vanguard Total World Stock ETF, explored the steady growth of the Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, and marveled at the tech-centric prowess of the Invesco QQQ ETF. We've also uncovered 2 more jewels in the form of the iShares Core S and P500 ETF and the iShares Gold Trust. Each of these ETFs offers a unique advantage and characteristic that can help you build a well-rounded, diversified investment portfolio. Diversification and long-term investment are the keys to riding the waves of market volatility. They allow you to spread risk and potentially reap the benefits of various sectors and asset classes. These 5 ETFs are tools that can help you achieve that. Remember, the future of investing is here, and it's in the form of ETFs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with others. Stay tuned for more insightful investment tips.